Plastic model builders, it is that time again. Our last series was the B25J. I did the Jaunty Joe version. Check that out in case you didn't see it. So we're doing another unboxing right here. This is the Spitfire MK2. We're going to open it up and we are going to see what is exactly inside this model. This is a 1/48 scale. It is by Revell. This model is a skill level 4. Not too hard to do for the average builder. If you're just starting out, I'm sure it's a fun kit. So let's open up this box and see what's inside. Looks like, to start off with, we've got one bag of parts trees, one bag of clear plastic parts, and the instructions. Looks like, oh, looks like a problem. Let's see here. Found the decals, and my model only starts at step 5 through 7, so I guess that means I don't have to do any of the other stuff. The plane will just assemble itself. Let's see what this one is. Same thing. Awesome. Starts at step 5, goes to step 7. I'm excited. Anyway, so here are the decals right here. There are a total of 29 numbered decals. Of course, some of them have duplicates depending on, where the wings go, fuel, things like that. So just pay attention to that. That'll be for later. The clear plastic parts, we have 4 of them. Part number 28, 30, and 31. One of these might be a landing light, which is probably this right here. I don't know. We'll dive in. We'll figure it out a little bit later. Looks like we've got 3 parts trees right here. First, containing the fuselage and the tail fins. The second part tree has our propeller right over here, a bunch of internal pieces for the cockpit, and of course the landing gear. And the last part tree right here, 3 parts, the wings. Fairly simple model. 32 parts overall, should not take too long to do. Maybe 10 weeks at the most if you're an expert, or maybe a lot less. Let's look at the instructions and see what they have. Alright, starting off with the paints. A is blue-green, B is dark green, C is field brown, D is flat black, E is green, F is red, G is silver, H is sky blue, I is steel, and J is yellow. Step 5. Since that's all I have, it's basically the plane's assembled, you're putting on the landing gear, you're making the propeller in step 6, and other stuff. Anywho, basically I've looked at the instructions on other models for this. Step 1 is you're painting the fuselage a light green color. It's the blue-green color. You're going to put together the instrument panel and all that good stuff. Once you put that in, you're basically building the model. Not a lot to it, as you can see. Anyway, that's it. A fairly simple box break for this. Like I said, 32 parts. Easy to do. We thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. And until next time, see ya.